Okay, what if we needed to make a doorway in this? So we have the siding from the last little demo. If we needed to put a door in here, this is extremely easy if we followed this last demo, because everything in here is quadded out. And if we need to use our multi-cut tool and we hold down Control and Shift, you should be able to get a nice straight line going down. So that allows me to get all of that selected. And now I can just go into this face and select some of this and then hit delete. Now that still doesn't look probably like it would be a proper height door. There we go. Now I can go in and just duplicate this one. Scale this piece down. Duplicate over. And duplicate this one and then rotate it. I'll just go into my channel box and tell that to be -90. And so very quickly we have now created a doorway. Now if we want to get fancy with that, why not? Let's put this so it's in the middle. And oftentimes you'll see on a lot of houses that you'll have like this little detail in the middle. So to do that, I'm just going to create a plane. I'm going to grab everything and extrude that. So we'll pull that up. And I'm going to duplicate that again. Oops. Sorry, not duplicate, scale I meant. So let's extrude that by scaling. Just got something like this. Then I will do that again. So scale. I'm going to push this down now, so we have this sort of an edge around here, this lip around this edge. I'm going to do this again. So scale while holding Shift to cause this to make a extrusion. I'm going to do that one more time just to have this going on. I'm going to grab, actually no, let's keep it like this. Let's turn this into a circle. So we're going to go to Edit Mesh, Circularize. There we go. And now let's scale that so I have a built-in bevel around there. Pull up, scale, scale it again. So each time I scale this, I'm also extruding it. Scale, scale, and then scale up. Now if I were to smooth this, it gives me sort of a shape like that, which some of that looks good, other parts don't. That's because it's missing some bevels, and those are hold edges that prevent this from smoothing out too much. So we'll add those in, being sure not to do that to the circle. So if I go on my top view, I deselect these edges. Now if I were to, make sure you get these. If I were to hit bevel and then now smooth it, it's looking pretty good. This is a little bit too far out. I can select both of these edge loops. It's a little bit hard because they're so close together. There we go. And then scale this. There we go, it's looking a lot better. Pull these down. Okay. Now smooth. It's getting there. You'll need some more work on it, but as you can see, this is a not half bad way of quickly building out a little detail part that we could easily apply to, I'll just do it this way, our model. Let's see what that looks like. That's looking a lot better. So then I can just take this whole thing, move this up, rotate it over, making sure that I'm at 90 degrees. push that in, scale it down. And then we'll scale that out a little bit. And now I have sort of a cap for the top of my doorway, and that's an easy way to adjust if we need to make that more flush. We just grab these vertices, move those over, pull this up a little bit more, and there's a nice little cap for that.